Hi, Kimchi Chick. I see you on Amazon, but are you the brand that customers click or the one they skip? Let's take a closer look for your product, which is the full coverage concealer. First, congrats on your Amazon's Choice badge. I know how tricky Amazon's policies can be, so achieving this is a job well done. I'm Kim, I'm a business development representative from My Amazon Guy, and in this video, I'll be covering tips to improve your SEO, traffic, and conversion rate. First, let's talk about traffic. What really drives traffic to your listings comes down to your keywords. Using our tool and looking at your distribution here, I could see you are organically banking for 2,000 keywords, and you are supporting that with around 200 paid keywords. This can still be improved as there are actually thousands of additional keywords that you could be indexing here. We also recommend the golden ratio of 1 is to 2 here, which is 1 paid for every 2 organic to index more better. You can also check out this word cloud here. These are the most important keyword for your listing. And down here, you will find your highest search keyword in your own category. Right now, we are looking at the biggest traffic opportunities for your product. For this keyword phrase, which is elf concealer with 69,000 searches, you are organically ranking here at 89. What this means is that customers have to scroll through over 89 listings plus sponsored ads before they can find your product. And this is limiting your exposure here because you're buried deep in the search results. For this other keyword phrase, which is concealer, with the highest search volume of all at 200,000 searches, you are bidding on this keyword. Good job on that. However, this is still a double digit rank. We want a single digit rank for a paid keyword because this is still limiting your exposure here. You are not appearing on the first page of Amazon for this keyword phrase right over here. Now, we can help you with your keywords here. We can help you push these rankings up, ideally into a single digit number, just like with this one, because this is where buyers click and this is where the sales happen. Let me show you how big your category is in Amazon. This is just in the top 50 listing for one keyword phrase, which is concealer. And as you can see, there is a total revenue of $18 million per month, and sellers are averaging around $238,000 per month. Now, looking at yours over here, I can see that you are not getting your fair share here. There's still plenty of market share that you could tap into, and we can help grow your market share through SEO by focusing on improving your conversions and your click through rates. Let me show you as well that for this keyword phrase over here, even though you are bidding on this keyword, you are not appearing on the first page. Again, the reason for this is because you have a double digit rank for your bidding keyword. We want a single digit rank. So you're probably in the second or third page of Amazon. Now, we also reviewed one of your top competitors here. This is the number 7 Lift and Luminate concealer. And just a disclaimer, we are not comparing products directly here. I know that there are differences when it comes to price and positioning. What we're reviewing is their keyword strategy. So they sold over 6,000 units and have generated $96,000 in sales. The difference comes down to their visibility, and looking at their distribution, you will find that they are indexing for a much higher amount of keywords. This is the reason why they had a very good outcome in Amazon. As you can see, the more keywords that you use equals the more visibility that you have in Amazon, and ultimately more sales for your product. Now, moving on to your product detail page, the look of your page will strongly affect your conversion rate. Now, I can see here that your title exceeds Amazon's new character limit, which is 75. Starting July 27, Amazon may start to shorten this automatically, which could affect your SEO, so you have to work on your title here. Your bullet points and your title, don't forget to update them regularly as SEOs are not set and forget. Your image tag, you do have 5. You could also add 6 images plus 1 video to improve your listing's visibility. Let's go down here below to your A plus content. Good job utilizing large eye-catching images here. Very beautiful. You also have videos and your brand story. Good job. And some crawlable text as well. Okay, now those are just a few tips that I could share with you for today. If you'd like to learn more, feel free to book a free consultation using the book a call button at the end of the video, and you'll get to speak with an Amazon expert. My Amazon Guy is a full service digital marketing agency. We manage over 400 brands and $7 million in monthly PPC spend, driving more than $1.2 billion in revenue for our clients. So, whether you are losing rank, overspending on ads, or need help scaling, we bring data back driven strategies that deliver real results for you.